Hey everyone, Ellie here from Maxon, and I'm going to take you through how you can activate your Maxon 1 student or teacher license. If you go to the Maxon website and hover over the word Learn, you'll see Maxon 1 educational licenses in the menu. From here, you can click the Get Started button and it will take you to a site called On The Hub. You'll need to log into your existing On The Hub account or sign up for a new one. And don't forget, make sure you've been verified first before continuing. When signing up for a new account, enter your educational email and continue. Complete the steps and activate your account. Don't worry, if your email address isn't recognised or if you don't have an educational email, there's still another way to register. Hit the Can I Register Another Way link and choose a third option. Then just complete the registration and upload your proof of enrolment. One small thing, when signing up this way you may need to allow a few days for your account to be verified first before you can continue. Once logged in and verified, you can add the Maxon 1 promo code to your cart and complete the order. Once you've completed the step, you can find your new promo code here. Next, if you hit the instructions drop down, you'll find your very own link to the Maxon store, where you'll find your Maxon 1 6-month license already in your cart. Don't forget to enter your promo code here and hit apply. This will discount your license to just the admin fee, which may vary depending on your region. Hit the checkout button and either log into your existing My Maxon account or sign up for a new one here. Complete all your billing and payment information and then submit your order. You're almost done. All you need to do now is download your installers, which can be found here on the Maxon website. First, install and launch Cinema4D and log into your My Maxon account. Your Maxon 1 license should be automatically activated. Then you need to set up your Redshift account. You'll have been sent an email to create a new account. Make sure you activate the link in the email and then you'll have access to the Redshift installers. Once you install Redshift, it'll automatically connect to your Cinema4D license. Please remember, at the moment, Redshift only support CUDA-compatible NVIDIA GPUs on Windows, so if you're running a Mac with an AMD graphics card, skip this step. Finally, launch the Red Giant application manager and sign in using your same My Maxon account details. After signing in, you'll be able to install each of the Red Giant tools. If you have any issues installing, you can always get in touch with our support team at www.support.maxon.net. One final thing from me, if you want to learn more about the Red Giant tools, head over to redgiant.com/tutorials. Or if you're keen to learn more about Cinema4D, head over to our training site, cineversity.com, for a bunch of tutorials on getting started. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Maxon 1.